When I first started trading Forex, the idea of using leverage seemed like a double-edged sword. On one hand, leverage can magnify your profits, but on the other, it can also amplify your losses. That's why I decided to explore trading without leverage, a more conservative approach that reduces risk but requires a bit more capital. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. The first step was choosing the right broker. I made sure to find one that offers accounts with no leverage or allows you to set the leverage to 1:1. This way, I wouldn't be tempted to take on more risk than I was comfortable with. Understanding margin requirements was also crucial. Without leverage, I knew I needed to have the full amount of the trade in my account. For instance, if I wanted to trade a standard lot, 100,000 units, of a currency pair, I had to ensure I had enough capital to cover the entire value. I quickly realized that trading smaller lots, like micro lots, 1,000 units, or mini lots, 10,000 units, was a smart way to manage risk. This gave me more flexibility with my capital and allowed me to build my confidence without overexposing myself. Risk management became my best friend in this journey. I set strict stop-loss orders and carefully determined my risk tolerance for each trade. Even though I wasn't using leverage, I knew the importance of having a solid risk management strategy. I also shifted my focus to long-term trends. Without the pressure of leverage, I could take my time to look for trends that I could hold on to for days, weeks, or even months. Diversifying my portfolio was another key element. By spreading my trades across different currency pairs, I was able to spread risk and potentially smooth out my returns. I relied heavily on both fundamental and technical analysis. Understanding the economic factors driving currency movements gave me a solid foundation, while technical analysis helped me identify the right entry and exit points. Monitoring my trades became part of my daily routine. Even though I wasn't leveraging my positions, I understood that currency prices can be volatile, so keeping a close eye on my trades ensured that they stayed aligned with my overall trading plan. Through this approach, I learned the value of patience. Without leverage, my potential returns were smaller, but so were my losses. The slower pace gave me time to reflect and refine my strategy. Trading Forex without leverage may not offer the thrill of big wins, but for me, it's a safer and more sustainable way to grow in the market. If you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below.